Hey guys, I just wanted to come out and say a big thank you to all of you. Honestly, I was very nervous about posting yesterday's video and sharing such a vulnerable part about my journey. But the response was overwhelming. The messages that I received, I just can't express my gratitude to those messages. They have been so inspiring. Honestly, from the messages, it's incredible to see how storytelling can inspire ideas, build connections, and inspire actions, not just in business but also in life. So I'm very excited about what's coming next. This is something that is a golden opportunity for all of you. So stay tuned to what is coming next. Tomorrow I'm going to share with you something special. It's limited opportunity that I think is going to help a lot of you who are thinking of growing their business or making a shift in the business or making a shift in your career. I can't wait to tell you. But stay tuned. It's going to come tomorrow, and believe me, you're going to thank me for it. Once again, thank you for your love and support. It means a world to me to see you engaging with my stories, resonating with my stories, and connecting with me. If yesterday's video inspired you, or you know someone who could benefit from yesterday's video, please do share it with him or tag his name below. And keep looking out tomorrow to something special that I'm going to give you. And believe me, it's going to change the way you do your business or you look at life. Let's keep inspiring each other and building something amazing together. See you tomorrow.